During this time, Sparky had managed to charge a powerful bolt of lightning and shot it at the drake's backside, catching it off guard. It caused minor damage, but its paralyzing effect caused it to hit the ground like a boulder as its artificial magic wings dispelled into thin air. The shockwave caused by the large creature smashing into the snow was enough to make large amounts of snow come falling down from the thick branches of the trees above. A large pile managed to submerge Atreyu and Lanicus in even more snow. Frost Drake, level 27, HP 799 out of 1,208, SP 699 out of 776, MP 1,055 out of 1,496. Atreyu jolted awake and sat up with the shield still on his face. He threw it away and instantly grabbed his groin with both hands where a large formation of ice had built up. "My balls!" he cried, slapping the ice away. "They're frozen!" Lanicus, for some reason, decided to cast a fire spell that caused the ice to shoot upwards in every direction before a large ball of fire exploded near the trees that instantly set them and pieces of his cloak on fire. What a dumbass! I had no time to waste looking at their silly antics, so I charged forward at the drake, who was still paralyzed enough for me to make a move. My plan was a long shot, but even if it distracted the creature, it would give Sparky enough time to charge another attack. You enchanted Elven Sword with Stream of Fire, plus 10 XP. Ali Creed, level 8, HP 214 out of 214, SP 214 out of 214, MP 155 out of 195, AP 50 out of 50. I lunged forward with the flaming sword, only for it to bounce back like a hammer on a cold anvil. This didn't even scratch its thick scales, still buzzing with small sparks. With no other viable option, I aimed my hand at the beast and let loose another short burst of fire. You cast Stream of Fire plus 10 XP